Yes, your eyebrows. It helps to thicken your eyebrows. Yeah, for some people, they like very thick eyebrows. You can actually use your cotton pads to apply castor oil on your lashes every night and your brows every night, and you will see a very huge result. And again, it's going to save you from wearing weave-on inside eye like some of you, and not me, don't point at me. Yes, fam. Hallelujah. Hello, beautiful and amazing pathfinders. It's your baby girl here again, Frida. And I welcome you all to today's video, fam. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. I want to say a very special welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for increasing this amazing family. And to my old family, yes, thank you all so much for always coming, for always returning, supporting, sharing, liking. Oh my God. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And for those that have been watching, you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to this amazing family, all right? And join us. Please, I would love to read from you in the comment section. Yes, fam, without wasting much time, I want to quickly ask a question. Yeah. Now, if I should ask you, what are the benefits of castor oil? I know you're going to tell me. It helps to grow my hair beautifully. Yes, auntie, I already know. Now, do you know that castor oil can help to treat arthritis? Yes, it is a very wonderful one. So get your castor oil to treat that arthritis, okay? It is a very great one for arthritis. So another wonderful thing again that castor oil can do for you, it helps to clear stretch marks. Yes, stretch marks can come as a result of age. It comes as a result of weight, okay? You increasing in size, you start seeing stretch marks all over. So to save yourself from that embarrassment, all right, now that it's winter, get your castor oil, all right, and use it to clear your stretch marks so that when summer comes, you'll be very, very free to flaunt your arm, okay? You'll be very, very free to flaunt your body the way you want to flaunt it, because some people are actually shy because of the stretch marks. You see them wearing long sleeves, all right? Some wearing a very long skirt or trousers. Yes, please get your castor oil. It will help to clear that embarrassing stretch marks. Yes. And another beautiful thing again that castor oil does, oh my goodness, it helps to treat menstrual cramp. Yes, at that time of the month when you are expecting that Mr. Red, what you have to do, get your castor oil ready, okay? Instead of screaming and rolling on the floor, don't scream anymore. Don't let menstrual cramp beat you to crying anymore. So what you have to do, get this, heat it up a little, all right, on fire, and use it to rub your lower abdomen, and you will see that that pain will be at bay. Yes, it does wonders when it comes to menstrual cramp. Now, another beautiful thing again that castor oil does, it helps to eliminate acne. Yes, it clears pimples. Yeah, and the likes of it. We treated it in our other video, okay? It helps to treat acne, pimples, and the scars, all right? So get your castor oil ready and use it as a deep cleanser, okay, regularly. And you can as well use it to moisturize your face. Use it as a makeup remover, okay? And you will see your face looking plump, supple, and flawless, all right? So get your castor oil. And another wonderful thing again that castor oil does, I know women are so excited when they hear about something that gets rid of wrinkles. a lot of us, we don't want to look old. Yes, we don't want to look old at all. So castor oil helps to eliminate wrinkles. So what you have to do, moisturize your face regularly with castor oil, and you will see that your face will be looking so, flawless, glowy, and it will be looking like that of a baby. So get your castor oil ready for that. And another thing again that castor oil does, it helps to treat constipation. Yes, it fights constipation. For some of you that cannot visit the restroom without looking for Hiroko tree to hold before you'll be able to get your castor oil, a tablespoon of castor oil, add it to your juice, any juice of your choice, and drink it, and you will see that you will be able to go to the restroom without disturbing neighbors. Yes, but when you are done with that trip, make sure you wash your hands, okay? Stay safe. Yeah, and another wonderful thing again that castor oil does, it helps to treat dry skin. Yes, so for that reason, consider adding castor oil to your body moisturizer, and it helps to treat dried heels. Yes. So how are you going to use it for your heels? Just apply it around your feet. Just use it to moisturize your feet, and get a very thick socks. Wait, the next morning when you take off the socks, you are going to see a very huge result. Okay, now use this to moisturize your skin regularly, or you add it to your body cream. Okay, and again, another thing that it does, it helps to treat chapped lips. For some of you that cannot apply lipstick without applying Vaseline or lip balm, count on castor oil. All right, it will help you to get rid of that chapped lips. Okay, now another wonderful thing again that castor oil does, oh my goodness, this castor oil, it has a lot of benefits, but we are not going to be mentioning all in this video, obviously. Yeah, and it helps to boost your immune system. Yes, so what you have to do, consider adding castor oil to your diet. All right? Yeah. Yes, do not restrict castor oil to just hair alone. Okay, let me quickly tell you again, castor oil helps to treat ringworm. It helps as well to treat eczema. Yes, so what you have to do, get your castor oil. All right, get it ready for all these that have been mentioned in this video. Okay, yes fam, thank you all so much for watching up to this point. Thank you all so much for your love, your support. If you know you haven't liked this video yet, please give it a very huge thumbs up, and get ready to bless someone with it. Like as I said before, please sow a seed in the life of someone with this video. Okay, thank you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. God bless you, God bless you, and God bless you. Bye-bye.